The following champion versus champion contest is a Falls Count Anywhere match and is for the undisputed WWE Universal and International Wrestling Grand Prix World Heavyweight Championships. Introducing the champion from Birmingham, Alabama, weighing in at 300 pounds. He is the undisputed WWE Universal Champion, Christian Thunderstorm.
Imagine all the hard work, the training, and the perseverance it takes to win a title in WWE. Now double it, and you can see the magnitude of this man's accomplishment.
In WWE, the only thing more difficult than becoming champion is staying champion. And his journey was twice as hard, but the work from here is double too.
But if anyone is up to the challenge, it's this guy. A double title match here. Major implications. Here we go with the title on the line. The stakes in this match really couldn't be any higher.
You can tell these superstars are ready to give their all to walk out of here the champion.
They might be limping out of here if this match is even half as intense as I think it might be.
He turns it around.
Another reversal. Eye for an eye here.
Oh my gosh, a follow-up moonsault slam?
My God, what a striking display.
Looking wobbly in the corner.
Big suplex. Corey, what can a superstar do if they find themselves playing defense in this match?
You got to find a way to create separation and buy yourself some time. Collect yourself. Otherwise, the beatings will continue.
It's a battlefield out there, and you have to navigate around the landmines.
Right in the face.
My God,
These consecutive attacks have him reeling.
This is where his fortitude will be put to the test.
Oh my gosh, a follow-away moonsault slam?
Springboard.
Shooting star!
That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was.
And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something.
The ladder. Things are about to get very interesting and dangerous.
DDT! I had that well scouted. Clothesline! Oh, colliding with the barricade. Oh, he slammed his face right into the barricade. Those last hits rattled the champ.
Yeah, this has been a grueling Iron Man match, and you cannot deny that they are feeling it. German 9!
Gut-wrench suplex. Heading up, he's thinking big.
He'll take things.
Taking flight.
Crash landing. An agile escape.
And he sends him into the corner.
A stalemate of counters.
Clothesline. He's been quickly taking control here.
You can tell he's firing up. Headlock applied.
Toss their opponent.
Go behind.
German 9! And we see him take yet another shot to the body. Suplex!
Over and over again, getting beaten down with force.
Stuck in the tree of woe. No escape in sight.
Bruising attack to the stomach.
Right up against his face.
Come on.
He just isn't being given any room to recuperate.
Yeah, the defects in his game are leaving him vulnerable.
Heads out of the ring. What's next? And returning to the ring. Climbing the turnbuckle now.
To the sky.
He's heading up top.
Thinking big.
Up high.
Oh, God. Attempting high-risk move after high-risk move at a breakneck pace. From the middle rope. Oh, a splash. Just putting their body in danger time and time again.
He wants even more out of his opponent. Oh, sharp knee.
And now he's taken control.
You can tell he is holding nothing back.
Uh-oh. Full mount. Hammer fists. Striking at will. The ref might want to stop this one.
One after another. He gets sent down to the floor. And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries.
Down to opponent. And a double axe handle smash.
Comes back into the ring. From the top. Oh, God, that's a bad landing.
I don't care how much matting you put on the floor, you are feeling the cement after that miss.
Flatliner. Looking for something, anything under the ring.
All right, now what the heck is a traffic sign doing under the ring?
Look out for that right hook.
That should strike fear in your opponent. Hell of a thing to wave a stop sign around like that. Where is this gonna go?
Springboard. Oh, my God. He's taking this to the floor now. Re-entering the ring now.
obviously taking way too much pleasure in this right now.
Fails to connect on the springboard. Oh, look at that suplex. Wait a second. Springboard. Oh, my God. Taking this to the floor. And he goes into the ring.
Big overhand. Haymaker connects.
Ooh, just turn that around. Triple Dragon suplex. Oh, flipping the script on him there. Placed in the corner. Great counter. Oh, what a kick. Position it on the ropes now.
What is going to happen next?
Into the ring again. Clothesline.
What impact.
And this one might be headed ringside. Caught with a punch. He's setting up the ladder for something, guys.
Yeah, the question is, what is that something?
Oh, he knew what was coming. He's in a bad way right now, guys.
He's got to find a way to get out of the ring and regroup.
Up against the steel.
The ladder finds the mark. It'll be tough to bounce back from that one.
Springboard. Phoenix splash. You gotta be kidding me.
And he can't defend any offense coming his way.
He somehow has to get himself back in order again. Coming in hot.
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about. Uh-oh.
Hitting shoulders down. The champ easily stopping the count.
I'm having a hard time believing that one.
Punch lands. Setting it up. Thunderous clothesline. Oh. Great strength being shown here. Last ride. He's looking for something. This could get dangerous.
I don't care what they say. Nothing good ever comes from getting the tables.
He gets back into the ring. I can't begin to imagine what he's got planned here, guys.
Maybe it's a...
Watch this. Corkscrew moonsault. Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display.
Going for broke, and it pays off.
These superstars have endured so much punishment.
Certainly looking worse for wear, but the tide can shift at any moment.
Perhaps looking for some kind of equalizer here.
He's got his hand on the stick.
These are dangerous attacks on their own, but now the damage is exponentially multiplied.
So many dangerous attacks, one after the other, making it difficult to regain any composure.
Setting foot in the ring now. Out of the ring. What's his plan here?
He's got a plan for that table, and it does not involve a dinner party.
Stop gloating and put your attention back to the match. Heads out, and he has all the time he wants. He returns to the ring.
Here's the setup.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
Taking this one back to the ring now.
He screws around it.
Go behind. 9. And he's adamantly in control.
Yeah, he is being steadfast in his approach.
Set it up for something here. Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush. Tremendous German suplex. This one is headed outside, guys. Heads out, and he has all the time he wants. Able to reverse that one. Looks like he has something planned with this table, guys.
I don't want to know.
He's entered a state of distress now.
Yeah, he's really being put to the test.
And now gets tossed into the ring. Gotta wonder what he's got in mind next.
The wheels are turning. Oh my goodness.
Leaving himself open here.
Things are starting to get dicey here. Both superstars on the top rope.
Looking for the victory. There's 2. An early fall for the defending champion. He's ejected from the ring. Taking this match off the mat now. Look out. You gotta be kidding me.
Taken out from high above. You gotta be some special kind of crazy to do that.
And he's able to counter.
Could be what he needed to ignite a rally.
The champ looking worn out.
Letting this match go a little longer than is strictly advisable. Might want to try making use of that stipulation.
Looking to give as good as she's gotten so far in this matchup. A potential tide-turning moment in this matchup. Working his way up the ladder now.
This is a criminal run. Through the table. And after that, you know things have just kicked up a notch.
Pedal to the metal right now.
He thinks he has it. Kicking out in time.
And you gotta think he's just one final blow away from not kicking out next time.
His offense is on point right now.
He's looking relentless. Flatline, man, face first.
Long way up in the electric chair.
The title's going nowhere. Kiss your dreams. Good night.
Did you hear the impact?
Overhand connects.
Taken head over heels.
Elbow after elbow.
Vicious.
useful.
I guess he thinks the one thing
Yes, he didn't come here to watch him boast and taunt.
Go behind. Roman 9.
Just a brazen challenge, trying to provoke an incredibly rash reaction.
Setting him up for the flip.
man, face first.
Cover here. He breaks the pin before a 1 count.
You see the look on the challenger's face. So close to becoming champion, but the champ won't stay down. Look at him, taunting with the stop sign. Is that really necessary?
He's making his intentions known to everyone in the arena. Look at him now. He realizes he's holding the great equalizer. He's feeling it. Got him in his sights.
Able to parry that one.
Going counter for counter. Now can it be capitalized on? Reversals, reversals, and more reversals. And both athletes showing that they have each other's number.
What a raucous crowd here tonight.
Punching their way out of that one. Oh, vicious running knee lift.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this? Able to reverse.
Oh, spinning heel kick.
Just pounding it right in the face.
My God.
Closed fist connects. Makes him pay with a counter. Take that. Oh, mounting and now just hammered away with the rights. Elbows right to the forehead.
My God, what a striking display.
Couldn't finish it in the given time limit, and this one's a draw.
What a boring result.
So effective immediately, ring the bell. This match will restart with no countouts.
Counter away from changing things. Climbing up top, he's got big plans. And back in the ring we go. Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
Taking things to another level. Bringing out the ladder like this.
And he's completely gained the advantage here.
He can't allow himself to let up now.
Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring. As he sets it up, Byron, tell me, what's he thinking here?
Michael, I'm afraid he's setting up a launching pad of sorts.
Kendo stick impact. And he's taking this to the outside now. And what's he looking for here?
WWE Universe wants tables. Well, they've got tables.
He leaves the ring, and there's no countouts in this one. He'll head to the ring. Tagging this outside. This could be good. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan. There's nothing off limits.
Nope.
Any one of these attacks could cause irreparable damage, but I don't think you can come back from this many.
There it comes. Planted with a neck breaker.
And more hits up there can leave you dazed. Heading back to the ring. No
He has
way!
free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about.
A totally ill-advised decision there.
Maybe slight hesitation there caused the outcome.
The champ getting put to the test here.
Oh, right.
Fishing for something beneath the ring.
And now with him going for the table, we're just in straight-up appetite for destruction territory here.
He moves just in time.
Shifts it back onto him.
Uh-oh.
Able to counter. Go behind. 9. Headlock cinched it. Just tossed their opponent. German suplex.
Just another insane display of power.
Getting carried. Unsure what they're thinking. Oh, right to the throat. And this is gotta be it. The champ scores a fall.
And this is just outrageous power.
And now he's just being pushed around.
Yeah, and this has to decrease his composure moving forward.
Setting up the ladder, Corey.
Yeah, I can see that, Cole.
Letting his opponent know he can take on the world.
Launching.
Ooh,
From the top.
Double axe handle. The champ getting worked over here.
There is no way this can go on for much longer.
What's he hoping to find down there? He's setting this table up, and guys, someone's about to have a really bad night. He steps foot in the ring again. Reversal! Can he take advantage?
Following moonsault.
Byron, look who's here.
Are you surprised, Byron?
Oh, it is no disqualification, but this is going to be an uphill battle for this superstar.
Oh, watch this. Moonsault! You gotta be kidding me!
Beautiful. That is the attitude of a daredevil. The ability to take risk with minimal trepidation.
Nope.
Oh my God, that table right there. This isn't gonna be pretty. Through the table.
A hellacious maneuver, driving him through the table.
Just goes to show you the amount of animosity that has flooded this matchup.
Oh, what a windup. And now he's controlling the pace of this one.
He's being consistent and businesslike.
We're seeing an unbelievable performance in front of us.
And how these competitors are still surviving is beyond What now? Come on, guys, think about your health. Think about your family. Something come.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window. Going for something else, it seems.
Down and a double axe handle smash.
Go behind. 9. And now, guys, this is a very concerning development. Referee needs to examine the situation.
Now, this is the result of constant attacks to the torso area.
Coming back in the ring. Taking it outside the ring now. He isn't finding any space to recover.
Yeah, and he keeps struggling to slow the opposition down.
I don't care how bold you are, missing on those kind of maneuvers will send you to a medical facility.
Well, medical attention might be needed out here. That was a nasty landing.
And more attacks up there could leave him stunned.
Each blow affecting his equilibrium. To the face. What a redirect.
Man, face first.
Long way up in the electric chair.
I think the champ's got it. Shoulders down.
Late in the match, and the challenger gets a fall.
The temple's getting rattled. Fisherman suplex.
No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
Springboard. Oh, just completely off target there. An absolutely foolhardy decision made there.
That could be very costly. Don't know if the risk is worth it.
And it's the ref who takes a hit there.
Things might be getting a little out of control.
Oh, man, meeting the barricade. Clearly waiting for that.
Look at the velocity into the table.
He's got a plan for that table, and it does not involve a dinner party.
That's one way to use a ladder.
Here.
Well, he's confused. And I guess he
Byron?
should be. Where is he?
Well, that's what we're all wondering right now, Michael. We got a match going on. His music is playing. There he is.
Hits him with the counter. Got him set up in the corner of the ring. Good timing with that reversal.
Defenses are sharp in this series of reversals.
He's turning the tables. Setting him up for the flip ladder.
Man, face first.
Up into the electric chair.
God, a German suplex. Does he have him here? He wasted no time kicking out there.
Shrugging off the pin like it's nothing. And after this match has already gone on for so long.
Beautiful suplex. Big knockdown. Oh, looking for it. Back body drop.
Staring back to his feet, but he might not know where he is.
Closed fist punch to the jump. That's one way to break up a move.
Dragon suplex.
Out of the ring. What's his plan here?
He's got a table. We know where this is going, gentlemen. Propelled into the table.
Staved off that
midsection sunset flip.
A championship level move.
And they're still in this.
I knew it would take more than that to put the champ away. But just how much more is needed? The end could still be right around the corner.
Big move, but it's still unable to end this. I don't know how there's anything left in these superstars' bodies.
Yeah, the tank is being...
Kick to the midsection, sunset flip. The champions need to finish the job. 2 count.
The defending champion stakes an early fall.
Crucial moment. What a knee. That's gotta be it.
And the pin is broken by the champion.
Not even letting the ref get to the 2 count.
Turned that one around.
Ooh, clothesline delivered. I am feeling a titanic shift roaring through this crowd right now.
Well, you're not the only one, Sax.
Oh my God, the table's on fire.
This is insane. You can't do this.
Backdrop suplex.
And attacking above the shoulders has become the strategy here.
Looks like he has something planned with his table, guys.
I don't want to know.
Oh no, are they setting the table on fire?
This is too damn far. Nasty right hand. Answers with an enziguri. Crashing to the floor.
And he slides him back to the mat. No clue what he hopes to find down there.
Any chance the table will be set up for a lovely spread? Never mind, that never happens. Someone is likely going through it.
He switches it back around.
He saw it coming. Taking a moment to let the crowd know how much he appreciates them.
Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
No matter which way he uses that ladder, there's going to be a crash. That'll fillet your chest.
What a counter!
Gotta find a way to get out of this.
Last ride.
Continues the attack on the core.
It could prove to be an effective strategy.
And now thrown back into the ring.
Effective body blow. Big time move coming up.
He's setting this table up, and guys, someone's about to have a really bad night.
What more can these two superstars do to each other?
Whatever it takes. Looking for the fast lane to the pay window.
Every person in this capacity crowd is on their feet.
And with good reason. These superstars are earning all of their respect.
What a shot!
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
I don't know if this is a show of confidence or a wasted opportunity to attack your opponent. Showing a lot of fury with these attacks.
Yeah, and every attempt to fight back's being negated.
Face.
Big ball. Ooh, wow, huge clip. Go behind. 9. German suplex spiked.
You can see the anguish growing on his face.
Yeah, this flurry's proven to be quite the challenge for him here. Left hook in the mush.
Oh my gosh, a follow-up moonsault slam? Off the ropes, holds on. Rainbow cutter. The champ has this one in hand now.
The pillars of this building must be crumbling from the energy these fans are putting out right now.
These superstars are giving it their all, and this audience is giving it right back.
He is efficient and dangerous with his offense thus far.
Yeah, he has planted himself in the driver's seat. He's doing
Shades of McFoley and Edge of WrestleMania, and we know how that turned out.
He's doing. This is getting out of control.
You gotta be kidding me.
The table.
Setting him up for the flatline.
Man, face first.
Into the cover. An ineffective pen.
You are not alone in your shock, Cole. We all thought that was it.
Driven down face first.
Great reversal.
Crushing knee strike.
He could pin his opponent right here. It's over. Makes the cover. No, he beats the count.
That was a matter of a fraction of a second.
Though you gotta believe he'll be looking for the kill shot one more time.
Vicious running knee lift.
We got a cover. The champ with a surprisingly quick kick out.
I was not expecting that from him at this point.
Into the corner now.
Just unloading shots in the corner.
Gets him in position.
This is not going to end well for him, Michael.
That was a hell of a maneuver there, guys.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
Okay, already, we get it. Stop looking for adulation from the crowd and get back into the fight.
Headlock cinched it.
Just tossed without regard.
Release German.
Go behind.
German.
9.
Oh, this is just flat out punishment.
Soaring.
Oh, straight to the floor.
An absolutely terrible landing ringside.
And now he's on the downside.
Yeah, he has really hit a brick wall here.
And he gets delivered back into the ring.
himself, closing in.
Electric chair.
Looks like the champ is going to retain. He's looking completely lost as he finds his footing.
Long way up in the electric chair.